We've all seen them, job descriptions that sound like they were written for superheroes. Looking for a data ninja who's fluent in Excel, Python, Canva, video editing, marketing funnels, and must have 10 years of experience for an entry-level role. You read it and think, okay, maybe I can fake it till I make it. But then you get the job, and real life hits different. In the job description, it said, analyze data using Excel. In real life, you're fixing corrupted spreadsheets from 2012, dealing with version mismatches, and trying to understand what the last guy did with a formula that looks like ancient code. Or they said, collaborate with team members. But nobody replies to emails, and your manager gives feedback like, just make it pop more. This video is a funny, but real, breakdown of how what they say on paper rarely matches what you do at the desk. From job descriptions that promise work-life balance to roles that secretly expect 24/7 Slack replies, I'm exposing the gap between expectation and reality in the workplace. But here's the good part, once you understand this gap, you can navigate it like a pro. I'll share how to prepare for the real job, how to build skills that actually matter, like Excel, problem solving. So whether you're job hunting, onboarding, or just wondering if it's just you, this one's for you.